welcome to my channel. My name is Bria and I do beauty videos in sign language. I asked you guys on Instagram what kind of video you wanted to see, either blending eyeshadow or a full face of my favorites, and the full face of favorites won. So my next video I think will be my blending eyeshadow video. So the things I'm going to talk about today are my favorites right now. Some I've had for a long time and some are kind of newer to me. So I already did my foundation just because I don't have a favorite foundation right now, but I used my Physicians Formula foundation and I set it with my Silky Matte Powder by Essence. I already finished my eyebrows just because it's not really interesting to watch people do eyebrows over and over and over again. So we don't need to see that. I'm going to start with this is an E.L.F. blush and bronzer duo, so 2 in 1. If you're new to makeup, I recommend this for you just because it's, first of all, very cheap, and secondly, it's very easy to blend out and you don't have to be super careful with how much you apply to your face. I love that color. It's like the perfect color just to add some warmth back into the face. It did a lot for me already. So now I'm gonna put some blush on. Now I'm going to use my highlight. It's a drugstore highlight from Wet n Wild's called Blossom Glow. It's kind of a pinky color. And so my favorite eyeshadow right now is from Milani, and it's called the Basic Mattes palette. If you're from where I live, it's actually on sale right now at Lawton's, just to let you know. I'm filming on Tuesday, so if you're watching on Friday, might not be on sale, but it's a good palette to have. So I'm going to show you some swatches of the colors in it. So I use this one to set the eyelids. It has a cool and a warm toned brown for the crease. It has a dark brown and a black if you want to if you want to use it as an eyeliner or if you want to darken your outer corner. The only thing that I was kind of disappointed when I got this palette was this color. It takes a lot of building up to get any color from it, but I've actually learned in recent how to use it to blend out my eyeshadow. I still like it. I use it to travel because it has everything I need in it. This color all over the lid. This color in the crease. I'm going to use a very small blending brush with a little point just to add some of that warmth at the top. Okay, and now I'm going to use that dark brown. And I'm going to use it on the top as kind of a smoky eyeliner. And I'm going to go underneath with the cool brown and also use the dark one as an eyeliner just on 1/3 of the eye. That color on my lid. And I'm also going to use it to kind of smoke out the eyeliner a little bit more. And then I'm going to use the highlight in the inner corner and my brow bone. So I'm going to finish my other eye. Be right back. So I finished my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go on with mascara. And my favorite mascara right now is from NYX called Worth the Hype. And I love this mascara because it makes my eyelashes so long. But one thing, it's very, very hard to get it off of my eyelashes. Like, I always have to rub really hard. So make sure you have a good makeup remover before you buy this. But I love the way my lashes look, so I'm going to keep using it. So you can see the difference in my lashes. I love lengthening mascaras. If you like volume, you might not like it as much. I just wanted to share a favorite with you, even though I'm not using it in this video. This is from Essence, and it's called their Melted Chrome Eyeshadow. I was so shocked when I used that for the first time. It's called Zinc About You. I'm going to show you the swatch. That's only $6. It's so foiled, like butter, very buttery, amazing. So now for my last favorite on the lips, the color Riche Shine lipsticks from L'Oreal, and I have the color Glossy Fawn. I'm just loving this formula right now. It feels so good. I'm so tired of matte dry lips. That's all for my favorites right now. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please, if you're new to my channel, like and subscribe for more beauty videos in sign language. And thank you so much for watching.